Select the worksheet exercise 1 and watch me just for a few seconds. The problem with a data range is when you create a chart, it's not dynamic. So if I go to Insert and I'm going to put in a column chart, I'm going to go to A6 and put in South Carolina and make the number 50. The chart did not get updated. So I'm going to undo. And now we'll do this together. I'm back in A1. Let's convert our range to a table using the keyboard this time. It is Control and the letter T. Mac users, it's Command T or Control T. Click on OK. Insert. Let's put in a column chart. You don't have to move it, but I'm going to just put mine over in column D. Go to cell A6, put in South Carolina, make the number 35, and notice it's in the chart. Go to cell B1, get your autofill crosshairs, pull over into column C, let go, and then just type in whatever numbers you want straight down column C, and you can see that the chart is automatically updating. So by converting to a table, we have a dynamic chart.